Friends, every decade, many new industries are born and new markets are opened up in the same work that the world is quietly changing. And only a select few recognize these changes over time and succeed. And the coming year will remain the same. And in the coming year, some new industries will grow rapidly. So the coming year is going to be the year of those who have the courage to take a step in the right direction. Yes, while the world keeps changing, technology keeps evolving, customers' needs keeps changing, and these changes bring golden opportunities that only those who act quickly can see. So if you want to stand out from the crowd, today in this video we're going to tell you about 10 future-ready business ideas that will be in demand in the coming year. However, some of these ideas require sufficient education and experience to get started. So watch the video until the end. But before that, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends. Come on, let's watch. Hi friends and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Healthy vending machine business. Nowadays, people are looking for healthy snacks instead of fast food, but it is difficult to find healthy options when they are out and about. Moreover, healthy vending machines are becoming a perfect modern solution in many places today. Yes, these machines run 24/7 and stock low-calorie snacks, millet-based products, sugar-free drinks, protein bars, nuts, and healthy mini meals. So you can install them in offices, hospitals, malls, gyms, airports, and co-working spaces. Also, the best thing about these vending machines is that once they are installed, you can generate recurring revenue and proper management. Number 2. Startup consulting. India is becoming the world's third largest startup ecosystem and millions of new entrepreneurs are expected to enter the market by 2026. But most of them don't know where to start, what the legal structure is, how to raise funds, how to build a business model, or even how to create marketing strategy. In this scenario, if you have deep expertise and education in delivering results in various industries, you can sell them as your services in the form of hourly consulting, monthly retainers, pitch deck preparation, investor readiness sessions, or full startup launch packages. Number 3. Corporate wellness program provider. Today, many companies are aware that stress, unhealthy lifestyles, and fatigue in their employees directly affect productivity. Moreover, in the coming years, they will be more concerned than ever about the physical and mental well-being of their employees. So with a small team, you can simultaneously provide year-round wellness solutions to multiple companies as a corporate wellness program provider, such as yoga sessions, meditation workshops, ergonomic training, stress management seminars, nutritional counseling, and employee fitness challenges. This can be very scalable and highly profitable, especially in metropolitan areas where the metropolitan culture is more focused on wellness. Number 4. Smart home gardening kits. People living in today's modern urban lifestyle want to grow fresh vegetables and herbs on their own. But this is not possible due to lack of time and gardening knowledge. But these smart home gardening tools offer a solution to this problem. So you can generate revenue by selling them tools like seeds, nutrient-rich soil, self-watering pots, LED grow lights, etc. Thus, anyone can grow herbs, leafy vegetables, and microgreens on their balcony or indoors. Moreover, the growing influence of sustainability and chemical-free food trends will increase the demand for this business in the coming years. Number 5. Personalized nutrition plan service. Every individual's lifestyle, metabolism, and health condition are different. So a generic diet plan may not work for everyone. This is why the demand for personalized nutrition plans is rapidly increasing. If you are a nutritionist or have knowledge of nutrition, you can analyze your clients' health reports, lifestyle, eating habits, and goals and create a personalized diet plan for them. Clients who are specifically looking to lose weight, gain muscle, or have PCOS, diabetes, and thyroid problems are willing to pay a premium fee for personalized guidance. Therefore, this business model has a clear path to growth, and you can help clients achieve sustainable and long-lasting change through a subscription-based model. Number 6. AI inventory management for e-commerce sellers. Today, the biggest challenge faced by online sellers like Amazon, Flipkart, Meesho, and Shopify is inventory management, which wastes their time and money. Moreover, AI-based inventory management software eliminates all these problems, and it analyzes e-commerce sales data, trends, and demand patterns to predict future demand for each product. And this system tracks expiration and automates purchase orders. Thus, AI-based inventory management saves sellers time so you can create an affordable AI-based inventory management subscription model, which is a solution many sellers may be willing to pay for every month. Number 7. Pet health supplement manufacturing. Today, pet parents are more concerned about their pets' well-being than ever before. Furthermore, they are opting for pet health supplements such as joint health chews, multivitamin treats, skin and coat supplements, digestive enzymes and probiotics, and due to this, the demand for pet health supplements is increasing rapidly. Therefore, with the help of a contract manufacturer, you can manufacture supplements under your own brand name and sell your products through veterinary clinics, pet stores, online marketplaces, and subscription boxes. The competition in the pet industry is still low, but growth is rapid, so early entry gives you a significant advantage. Number 8. Low sugar dessert brands. Diabetes and obesity are rapidly increasing worldwide, but people's craving for sweets is still strong. Due to this, the demand for low sugar and sugar-free dessert brands is expected to increase further in the coming years. So you can launch a line of diabetic-friendly desserts, sugar-free cakes, low-calorie ice creams, millet brownies, and keto-friendly desserts that taste just like a regular dessert but have less or no sugar. Consumers nowadays trust health-focused brands and are happy to pay premium prices. So profit margins are high in this category, and it creates a strong opportunity for loyal, repeat customers. Number 9. Photo and video content production. Today, social media is growing faster than ever, and people only stop when they are captivated by a photo or video. This is why photography, videography, and content production are set to become some of the most profitable skill-based businesses. So you can do product shoots, food photography, corporate videos, product reels, travel films, wedding films, promotional videos, and even create YouTube content for brands. Moreover, today, AI editing tools, automated lighting systems, and modern cameras have reduced production costs so that even beginners can get started with minimal investment. Number 10. Financial literacy programs for adults. Today, millions of young people and adults are earning money but lack the understanding of how to manage their finances. Due to this, the demand for financial literacy programs will grow exponentially in the next few years. So if you have experience in this financial literacy field, then you can teach them important topics like budgeting, credit score improvement, investment basics, safe digital banking, and wealth creation strategies in weekend workshops with online and offline subscription-based courses. The biggest advantage of this business is that your target audience is very wide, so there is a large market opportunity for new creators. So if you want to know more information about this business, please check our website and the link in the video description. We hope this video will help you in initiating your own business. Thanks for watching, friends. Subscribe for more exciting business ideas, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, share it with your friends. See you in the next video.